Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. Welcome to our this session in which we are going to make a great enhancement in our version control system. We have now a series of versions created with a date and time and with the name, right? Some are sheet-based modules, codes, and some uh, are the standard module pair. And our basic rollback is named as toolbar. So whenever we want anything, any place, so this has to be updated so that uh, the the fixed point where we would like to roll back will be updated. Okay. So as you can remember, we have created a toolbar button which exports all the modules. Each time you press it, another let's press it, and it has created all a new version of your current modules, right? Okay, so that includes the sheets module, this sheet module, and the standard module, right? So these are so far so good. Now, when we load the file through or in the open procedure, right? Workbook open procedure, I take you to so that we don't have to load the file, and we say this is for sure the module, which is this is the module, and which is in which at the workbook open, this as soon as this event takes place, means opening of the workbook, the sheet quiz is selected and the user form is shown, and when the button is clicked, this module is updated from the toolbar, right? And then the toolbar is recreated, right? That's fine. So far, so good. But there is an issue that we want to make an enhancement, and the enhancement is that this is our we added a drop down, right? In the toolbox, in the toolbox, you have this option that provides you the combo box, right? So this is the combo box. So this has been added, right? So that is combo box one, right? And we want this to be populated with the file names which have been generated, right? And the text files which have been generated. So by selecting one of that files in here, we are telling you that don't take this toolbar as a basis, but take this file which we select as a basis to roll back, right? So for this, what we want to do, what is necessary for us to do is that you write a code to add the item, whatever are the place in here in the original code, to add the item into the this box, yeah, and the combo box. Okay, so if you go and see the code, you see this is the code, and in which the file load procedure has been placed, right? So what is the file load procedure? It means before doing anything, we want that uh, combo box to be populated with all the names. Okay, so that is it is doing. So let's go to that procedure, Control F, and we find it, and it takes us to here. And here we mention that which path it is supposed to look to populate the file names into this, and those file names are going to be listed, making sure that the quiz ones are not included, because we are interested in it only the modules ones, and maybe the module one or my new module. These are the two names possible. So these are going to be selected, and when we select it, so this becomes the part of the combo box, right? So now let's run it and see what happens. So we go to the Alt F11 to see the code, and in here we run it as if, or you can run it from here as well, right? Right. So let's run it. So right. So now as soon as this is loaded, well, so what it is going to do is uh, these names should appear here before clicking anything, right? So let's make it correct. Let's make this correction. Okay. So we want this at the form load procedure, right? Okay. So we are going to here, and we want the file load procedure to be executed. right? So we go there and we take it out from here instead of from here. We go to the form, user form, and in the initialize button, right? So this is the right place where we would like to put this thing, right? Okay. So this is the right place where we would like this process to take place, right? At the time of form initialize. So let's run it again. And we go to here and we execute this workbook procedure. And as this is as if we are opening the files. Okay, so you will see the file names have been loaded, and it has skipped any name in which the quiz and other things are placed. So it is using the module 1.txt for this, and so many versions are there, right? So we take the latest one, for example, this, and then we collect the rollback. So this is how it is going to work. In the next video, we will show you how to convert the selected module to be converted and to be diverted into, so that the program does not take only a particular, it takes into the consideration the selected module, so that this becomes our module. So this becomes our module, module 1. So this gives you the leverage, the possibility that you can roll back to any given point of time for which you have the historical track. So you can change it, whatever it is, and then run it. So this will help you analyze the changes and compare the changes and choose the best version of the file. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next session, in which we will carry on this procedure. In this procedure, we have just, in this video, we have stopped our process until here. Later on, what we will do, we will update this procedure, and which is always taking into consideration the toolbar.f. But this time, it will not take it will not stick to us. It will dynamically, it will use the combo box item, selected item, and that would be copied to this file, and then the remaining proportion will be the same. So see you in our next video. Thank you very much. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. Welcome to our quiz regarding exporting the sheet code module to the text file. Now the question is, which of the following is not a possible output file name? So as a result of this following function, right, which concatenates the names and the file name, right, at the time with the file name, right? So these are the date and time. So there can't be a 66 in a minute. Yeah, always it is. The other is fine. So this is the right answer. This can't be the right. Thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. Welcome to this quiz, in which please you are supposed to see this code and tell that which of the following variable is being used to store the target text file name. The target text file name, yeah. So is this, so which is being stored like this. So the variable is strpath. Right. Thank you.